This unit is definitely giving a 32-inch 250 density, and yet it is a 26-inch and 180 density. It's definitely a beautiful and gorgeous unit. Just look at it. It is a perfect unit and a beautiful one. Anyway, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girls Yana Wagamlakalaka, and I'm back with another review. Today we're doing Ashimary hair. These are the goodies that the hair came with, and this is how the hair looks. It is pre-plucked for you, and it is a 13x6 transparent HD full lace frontal straight hair wig, which means when you're styling your hair or when you're doing a middle part, your middle part will be much longer, and also if you're doing a side part, it will also be much longer, and also we won't be able to detect where the wig starts and where it also ends. So that's the advantage of having a 13x6. You see those American girls who have like long middle parts and like bust down? This is definitely the wig. You will definitely need this. I'll also have a discount code in my description box, so be sure to use that. Those discount codes are definitely meant for you, so definitely make use of them. So yes guys, I will see you at the end of this video. Let me know what you think about this wig. Is it something that you'd get? For me, it is a definite, because I want to look like the American girlies. I want to move with the trends, because child, what is this? Let me know what you think.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how that this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's do, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good do. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how that this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's do, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long, right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Let the sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's do, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Sweet talk, sweet
So this is it, you guys. You would have seen that we haven't used any makeup, and you can see that this lace is definitely transparent. Can you guys see the line that I was talking about, like on the sides? Can you see how long it is? Child, can you see that? This is a beautiful install, and you'll definitely need this transparent HD lace. I am loving it. And just look at the density, you guys, and also the length. The length, child, like this is everything. I love this wig so much. Ashimary definitely knows what they're talking about when they talk about hair, child. Anyway, this is the beautiful unit, you guys. It's 180 density and it is a 26 wig. It is transparent HD lace. So yeah, this is it, you guys. Anyway, let me know what you think and also utilize the discount code below. I will definitely see you in my next upload, and I'm coming back on YouTube. I'm coming back. I am back, in fact. So yeah, see you later. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe.